Hello, we are Dancing in the Garage, Volume 15, Round Dance Edition, two-step. Dorothy Simpson will be doing a round that was inspired. We remembered it when we had something happen to us this week with some birds, and it's a favorite of one of our dancers named Jackie. Dorothy, tell us more about it.
Okay, this is Bird in My House, and Jackie loves this song. It was sung by Kate Mann, and its choreography, the choreographer is Yvonne Clendenning. So this song starts on, and it's a two-step. The diagonal, part point, pick up to close, down to dance for a left turning box. Here we go. Part point, pick up to close, line, dance, left turning box. Two forward, two steps. Scissors sidecar, scissors banjo. Fishtail, walk two. Hitch, hitch and scissors. Scoot, walk two. Circle away to two steps. Strike together four to face. Open vine four. Lace up to butterfly. Open vine four. Hitch four, walk two to closed. Traveling box. Face to face and back to back. Basketball turn to closed. Two side closes, walk and pick up. Two forward, two steps. Scissors sidecar, scissors banjo. Fishtail, walk two. Hitch, hitch and scissors. Scoot, walk two. Circle away to two steps. Strike together four to face. Open vine four. Lace up to butterfly. Open vine four. Hitch four, walk two to closed. Traveling box. Face to face and back to back. Basketball turn to semi. Two forward, two steps. Twirl two, walk two to closed. Left turning box to semi. Lace across and forward two step. Hitch six. Lace back, forward two step. Hitch six. Walk two, twirl two. Slow walk two and pick up. Two forward, two steps. Scissors sidecar, scissors banjo. Fishtail, walk two. Hitch, hitch and scissors. Scoot, walk two. Circle away to two steps. Strike together four to face. Open vine four. Lace up to butterfly. Open vine four. Hitch four, walk two to closed. Traveling box. Face to face and back to back. Basketball turn to semi. Lace across and forward two step. Hitch six. Lace back, forward two step. Slow twirl two and step apart. Well done. Okay, there we go. And that is the Kate Mann edition of this song. Now, I am not a caller, and there's two really good reasons. One is I can't visualize that, and two, I can't sing. So I brought a singer with me, and I have a little verse that I wrote for this song. So, we're going to sing it. Here you go.
This happened to us this week. Okay, ready?
Okay, so we'll sing over poor Kate.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. There's two crows in my bag, and I don't know what to do. Somebody left the side door open, and in the crows flew. Now they're sitting on my cooler and they're staring straight at I can tell by their expressions that they don't want to leave. There's 2 crows in my van and I don't know what to do. Somebody left the side door open and in the crows flew. Thank you very much. That's a true story.
They were trying to eat the cookies.
I left the van door open. I'm sorry.
Shame on you.